gonna tell you my neighbor's dogs are look around my lawn. And it is very nice. Let's go back out here. Pick up the snow, obviously. You can, it's really soft. Then you can, you can touch it. It's also very cold. I didn't bring gloves because I can't use my gloves to play on my iPad. So, yeah. Well, that's all I can show you guys now. But actually, no. Why would it be? It's still very cold out here. Everyone probably thinks that. But also, very nice. Yeah, everything's very nice out here. Okay, that's not inflated yet. It's very nice out here. I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe.